Alright, what's up people? We are back with few updates, not with Diamond Heart. I wish I had the Diamond Heart. Anyway, so as you can see from the image here, we managed to get our portfolio shy over 10k, and that was basically my goal for the previous month, because our last video was from like 2 weeks ago. And since then we had the Nvidia split. We managed to do a few hundreds over there. Let's see if we're recording. So we managed to do a few hundreds with Nvidia, but nothing too serious, not as much as I would have liked. And obviously Nvidia jumped, but it's fine. Tesla is doing a great job, and these are the most important winnings from the last 2 weeks. So 381 here and around 570 over here. This was made in 12 hours span, but it was okay, and I did few hundreds here and there with Nvidia, with Tesla, and pretty much that's the only shares that I'm trading. So my goal for next week is to get to 10,500 and get close to 11k as much as possible. We were expecting a serious boost in Tesla yesterday with Mr. Musk's vote, which the boost didn't came, but I'm confident that today is gonna be a good day. As Elon was saying, this is not a new chapter for Tesla, it's a whole new book. So he was also saying that getting over this payment package issues for him, and it will unleash like $20 to $25 plus for the Tesla share. So that would be great. I'm gonna stay there until it gets to 200, and probably is gonna happen soon. This is not financial advice or anything, but this is how I'm doing my investments. For all the guys who were here before, you all know I've started with like 5k, and in around 3 months I managed to double this amount. And you see here it says invested 10,200. Well, only 5k are actually my money. Everything else, whatever gains I had, I reinvested it, and yeah. I know you can see this Trio Petroleum here. It's an oil company. I don't invest in oil, and I would not recommend anyone to invest in penny stocks, as you can see. But this company is very something very good will happen with them. And I have 750 shares, and I'm planning to get to as far as 10,000 shares if the price doesn't explode in the meantime. Would love to have 10,000 shares, because this stock has the potential to get to $4-5 in the, let's say, next 6 months, which will be absolutely amazing. Anyway, so those are my gains for the last 2 weeks. Not a bad 2 weeks, but it could have been better. I tried many times to take advantage of Nvidia, but it's just picking the right time with Nvidia. I need to get in to the right point, and it seems I can't get that. It's much easier for me to do that with Tesla, and it works for me much better with Tesla. So I'm a day trader. Yeah, you can say I'm a gambler, degenerate gambler, and so on and forth. I've heard this before. It's fine, but finally this is a bet that works for me. And as I was saying, 5k, and if you don't believe me, like, look, go to history. Let's hope it's loading, because my internet is shit. So orders So there you go. 3K. Yeah, there you go. I did 3K in 3 months, which I think is fine. It's not too bad at all. So yeah, thank you for watching. I don't have anything else to add. As I was saying, I'm getting close to 10,500. That's my goal for the next week or two. So let's see how it goes. Maybe today we're gonna have a good day. Maybe today we're gonna reach that target. Who knows? If Tesla jumps, it might very well happen. Anyway, thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, by the way, I got banned from the forum, from Trading 212 forum, because apparently I said something wrong to a guy, and they just banned me. That's fine. I have my own community. I don't need 212 forum. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you soon in the next one.